Lamphang ke darbar Arunachal Pradesh upasang di sona ulaong ba ke inline permit ka don ka jingbha ba ka jing sniu habakran hadin ka jingle Asian benta sya ka jingelang ba shisien chisnem jongka Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 ka ba arpo ha ka sngi pinkut hinin ka sngi ulaong ba ka ILP ba ka bu jing perking ya ka jing baiting ka namar ki nong baiting ka ki arta tien ban ai ban pendan kam ya ka pisa jongki haki jaka babun ki an ki kindon Ulaong ru bah ka jo kapor ka ILP ka long ka atiar ka babha ha ka banya da ya ka long term rai ba ka jing angnut jang kinong song shnong bat ki culture jong ki ulaong ba ka de nakani ka daw ba ka ILP ka long kum ka Waitlam Arliang Syrti.
When I say ILP is a double-edged sword, it could be because if there's ILP, there's a restrictions in the investments and all. Because see, if I'm an investor, if I want to come to a place, but when there's so many regulations, I might looking for some other places where there are less regulations. And at the same time, but when you talk about protecting the ethnicity, and the indigenous people, again, this ILP also comes into a very good, tool, to protect the local indigenous culture and the people. So it's a double-edged sword. If you want your identity and the culture and it to be restored, then you have to lose something on your, investment front. And if you want the investment, then you have to lose something on your other thing. So it's a double-edged sword. So it's how you take it.
Kajing duanong na kajing ta jang kajing kala ka